Wherefore, the petition for review treated as appeal of Ms. Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Ms. Gina Acosta, Special Dispersing Officer, and Ms. Julieta L. Villa del Rey, Chief Accountant, Office of the Vice President, is hereby denied. Accordingly, Commission on Audit, Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office, Notice of Disallowance Number 2024-002-100 for 2022, dated August 8, 2024, on the confidential expenses of the OVP for the period from December 21 to 31, 2022, in the amount of 73,287,000 is affirmed. Signed by the chairperson and the commissioners.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And Madam Chair, just to clarify, this means that the COA affirmed the notice